Hey friends, if you start encountering issues with your graphic card on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So here's the thing. First of all, our first step will be to search for device manager and open it. Expand the list for display adapter, right click and update all of the drivers. Okay, and the second one too. The next one is to update Windows. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab, click on check for updates. So next one is to use recommended settings. And for this, right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, and then select display. Now you will have to scroll down. One is scale and one is display resolution. Set both at recommended. The last one is obviously to call a hardware technician for replacing the graphics card, which is easy in a desktop but difficult in a laptop. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.